guys, so today I've got a box that I've never had before and it is TokyoTreat. Now this is Japanese snacks and like sweets and stuff, and this is the premium box. So the classic box is 12 full-size items and that's $22.50, and this premium box is 17 items and it's $31.50, and it's free shipping worldwide. I've got a code as well, like a coupon code, which is for $3 off, and that's LunaLily, so I'll put that down below and like the link and stuff if anyone wants to have a look at this. But I'm gonna show you what's in here and taste some of the stuff, and hopefully it's not gross. I don't know, I think Japanese stuff can be a little weird sometimes, but we'll have a see. So you get a little book in here. This is the movie night edition. When I ordered this, I actually thought it was going to be the Halloween month box, so when I opened it I was a little bit like disappointed, because this like month and next month obviously I was trying to do more like Halloween horror kind of videos, and it's not, but that's fine. So it does actually tell you what everything is in English, which I find really, really helpful. I think that was the problem with Munch Pack, one of the other food boxes I got. It didn't actually tell you like what everything was properly. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Apparently there's only 14 things in here. It does say on the thing that there's 17 in a premium box, so I'm not sure why there's 14, but I guess some of the things there is quite a few packs of, so maybe that counts as like extra items. So we'll start off with these first. This is what they look like. Cute little faces on there. And there is 4 of these. So on my list, these are Anpanman Fluffy Corn Puffs. So I'm just going to open one packet and see what they're like. I'm going to rip this top one off, put them down there. So, let's see. Oh, they're so cute. They're like tiny little circles. I don't feel like they really have a flavour. I don't know if maybe they're a little tiny bit cheesy, but they're very, very, very mild. Kind of like a ready salted... No, I don't even think they do have a flavour. I think that is just a corn flavour, to be fair. They're plain, but they are really cute and really nice. Like little teeny rings. Then the next thing we have in here is this popcorn, which is probably the cutest popcorn I've ever seen. This is called Pretty Cure popcorn. It is salt and strawberry caramel flavour, and apparently it has a sticker, which I'm assuming is this on the back. So strawberry caramel flavoured popcorn sounds pretty amazing to me, if I can actually get in it. Oh my god, it smells insane. Oh, and it's... Right, okay, this is adorable. So, this is the popcorn, obviously. But then there's also little pink hearts in here. So maybe this is salted popcorn and these are strawberry caramel. Yeah. Okay. So, it's kind of hard to open this for some reason. But it's a mix, like I said, of those pink things and popcorn. So the popcorn is salted and the pink things, ooh, and the pink things are strawberry caramel. Because they've been in the same bag, the popcorn does have a taste of strawberry as well, but they are really, really good. And let's see if I can open this sticker. Okay, so this is the little sticker. I know nothing about Japan or anime, so I don't know who this is, but it's very cute and girly and, you know, magical. So that is them. Next we have this. Now I've had one of these in Munch Pack before and I didn't really like it. This is a shrimp mayonnaise umeibo. Shrimp mayonnaise sounds kind of disgusting. Oh no, wait, this is different than what I got in Munch Pack. I take it back. It's like a roll. Like a corn puff roll thing with a hole in the middle. It actually tastes pretty good. It's like a giant what's it. if you're from the UK. Doesn't taste of shrimp at all. I mean, maybe tastes a little bit like prawn cocktail flavour. Like a prawn cocktail what's it. That's what that's like. So there is this. Next we have these. So these are spicy pepper pea corn puff rings. Now I like spicy stuff, so hopefully this will be good. I can't seem to get into any of this stuff. Okay. Okay, so these are quite big. These look like that last thing, but like a mini version. They taste like the last thing as well, but a spicy version. Again, if you've had the flaming hot Wotsits, that's exactly what these taste like, flaming hot Wotsits. Okay, so next in here there is a drink. I'm gonna have this next purely because I feel like I need a drink. So this is a mango Pokemon soda. I don't know who this is. I don't play Pokemon. I did used to, but not anymore. So I'm not sure if this is fizzy or I'm gonna assume it's fizzy from that. Let's see. Looks like this. That's pretty good. It just tastes like a fizzy mango drink, I guess. Kind of like Fanta, but mango flavoured. So there is that. Next, I'm going to do something sweet. I feel like quite a lot of the things left in here are sweet, actually. So we have these. Now, I've definitely had these before, but I've not had this flavour. So these are Kinoko no Yama chocolate bananas. So they look like little mushrooms and they're like a biscuit, and then they've got a chocolate banana like topping on them. So when you open it up, it's a little packet inside. And they are very cute. They look like this. Little mushroom. They taste pretty good. I'm not a massive fan of banana and banana flavoured things, so I don't love those, but that is purely just me not really liking banana that much. So next we have this giant bag. I'm going to assume this is crisps because obviously it looks like it down here. On our little sheet it says these are plum crisps. So I don't think I've ever had a sweet crisp before, but we're going to try it out. They smell weird, I'm not going to lie. They're a little tiny bit pinkish, but not much. Oh. I'm confused. I don't know if maybe in Japan plum is something else, but these taste like salt and vinegar to me. To me, that's definitely not what plum tastes like. They're kind of vinegary, but I mean, they're nice. They're just definitely not sweet like I was expecting. So there is those. Then next we have these. Now, I'm a little worried about trying this because it's not something I like, but these are matcha milk candies. So the hard candies, like a green tea flavour, and they are individually wrapped. A whole bag of these little ones. So, looks like this. I mean, I'm not sure how I feel about it. It's like a sweet green tea with milk in it. And it's not bad, but will I eat this whole bag of these? No, probably not. It's very weird. If you like green tea though, then you'll probably love this. just not for me. So next we have this weird looking thing. And this is a brown sugar traditional wheat puff. So, again, it looks kind of like the other thing with the hole in the middle, but this one is a brown sugar one. Oh. That was way softer than I was expecting it to be. It's like really fluffy inside. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of like eating a sugar cube. There isn't really another flavour to it apart from sugar. It just is sugar. But I mean, it's nice if you wanted something sweet, I guess. I definitely wouldn't buy that though, but fair enough. Then we have these. I'm excited about these. These are Stretchy Grape Gummies. I absolutely love things that are grape flavoured. It's like my favourite flavour in the world. And scent as well, like grape scented fruit things. So, when you open it up, there is loads of these little individually wrapped long packets in here. And everything seems so confusing to open in this box for some reason. I am not good at opening things. It even has like instructions and I just not good at this. So I don't know if this is actually gum. It says gummies, so I'm assuming not. This is what it looks like out of the packet. Oh my god, it's so good. It's like really artificial grape flavour. I love grape flavour. Oh my god. I wonder if you can buy these in England. That's like the best grape flavoured thing I think I've ever had in my life. Those are amazing. Definitely my favourite thing in this box up to now is those. Then we have 3 things left. So, oh no, 4 things left, sorry. So the first thing is this, which is one of those little DIY kits. And this is a soft serve ice cream DIY. So it comes with little cones and you mix the powder and make like a little ice cream with this. It actually shows you in the book here how you do it, which is pretty helpful for anyone that can't, you know, read the packaging. And then we have this, which is just a little flump marshmallow. I'm not going to open this and eat it because it literally is just a marshmallow. Then we have this giant pack of these. So the booklet says that these are Kineko crackers, individually wrapped snacks for the theatre, rice crackers coated with sweet roasted soybean powder. So, give one of these a try. They are little, cute little cracker things. They're sort of dusty, like it said, it's covered in a powder. That is very, very, very strange. I'm trying to think of what it reminds me of. It reminds me of churros. Not the texture. The texture is like, I don't know, like a rice cracker sort of. Like a hard consistency, but the flavour is definitely like churros. They're pretty good actually. I wasn't expecting to like that, but I'm a fan. They're nice, which is good seeing as I have a giant bag of them. And then the last thing we have is these, which are pineapple high chews. I'm guessing that these are just going to be sort of like a chew it kind of thing. Pineapple, again, love pineapple. Probably not as much as grape, but I would say it's my second favourite flavour. If I can ever get one out. So it's a whole thing of these little chews. very pineapple-y. That was really, really good too. A very like real pineapple taste, I feel like. It wasn't very artificial flavoured. It was like a real fruit flavour, which was really nice. So yeah, that was everything in TokyoTreat. I definitely enjoyed trying all these different things. I'd say my favourite things were the grape gummies, the pineapple high chews, these spicy corn snacks, and probably these crackers actually. They were a little weird, but they were good though. So these four were definitely my favourite. I hope you enjoyed this anyway, and if you did, please subscribe. I will put the link for them down below with the coupon code and everything, and hopefully some of the next boxes that I do are going to be Halloween themed. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.